The Lincoln Power MIG 211i is a versatile machine that excels in both MIG and flux-cored welding applications, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. With its user-friendly interface, including a 7-segment display and basic knob controls, this welder is designed for ease of use, ensuring even beginners can operate it with confidence. Its dual input voltage capability allows for flexibility, letting you plug into any common power supply, whether it is 120 volts or 230 volts. The welder's ergonomic and sleek case design, complete with multiple lift points, makes it exceptionally portable and easy to transport around different work sites. Weighing only 41 pounds, the Lincoln Power MIG 211i is lightweight, yet it does not compromise on performance or durability, standing up to the demands of regular use. Equipped with a robust wire drive system, it ensures consistent feeding, enhancing the overall welding experience and providing smooth, high-quality results.